Good morning and welcome to the daily levels for Thursday, May the 2nd. It's right after 8:30 a.m. The market opens in about an hour. A couple things I'd like to point out. One, that big fall from yesterday after the press conference, they climbed up around 2:30 and then they fell down and pretty much erased all those gains. They're about halfway up that big breakdown candle, depends on what chart you're looking at, like say an hourly chart or something, but they're halfway up that entire move. They got high as 504.30 something, 504.34, currently at 8:31, 8:32 a.m. They are at 503.44. You can see in the upper left-hand side of the screen here. That's the current market or the current price of the SPY in the pre-market. And another thing I want to point out is I did not notice this yesterday when I got back to my computer and I was kind of putting things together for the post video for the day. But I did notice this morning is that there was very little, if any, professional activity in that move from 2:30 on. So the climb and then the fall. It was pretty much all amateurs in there. And I define that as the number of contracts traded per trade. So a lot of singles. In other words, it was just amateurs driving that move. Professionals were not in that move. There wasn't a lot of, large lot size trades being taken. And one other thing is interesting is typically during the end of the day between 4 o'clock and 4:15 p.m. Eastern, there's a pretty big push in the futures where you have that you see that kind of increased volume. You see, typically what you would say professionals are coming in, not every single day, but where they're trading more than just, one or two contracts or the average, say one and a half contracts per trade. It could be a lot more than that, which tells you that, there's professionals in there moving the market or at least, getting out at a certain time or getting in, taking profits. Depends on the direction. But anyway, all that being said, it was not there at all. Very much under average. So it was amateurs driving that move all the way up, all the way down. I'm not sure really what that means. It's just something I want to take into consideration today. Where they open, well, could be anywhere. We still have an hour. And at 5:03, right under 5:04 currently. After the market closes, per usual, we will circle back around to this chart and take a look at all the trades taken in the E-minis based off these levels. See you then.